Good afternoon, my dears. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and completing your work regularly. So, my dears, let's start our class. Which class is this? Do you know? Yes, I think now you have remembered that this is your English class and I am your English teacher. So, my dears, in previous videos we have done the reading of middle A sound words. So, take out your notebook, all of you, quickly. Take out your notebook, pencil, eraser. Quickly take out your pencil, notebook, eraser, English notebook. Today we will do introduction. Introduction means we will write the first sentence. So take out a fresh page. All of you take out your fresh page. Take out your fresh page and start writing with me. What you have to do, take out your fresh page and start writing with me. Ready? Start. This is a notebook page. This is a notebook page. So write here question 1. So write here question, only write question Q. Q means question. Q means question. Q means question. Now start writing. Write capital W. Capital W. After that H A T. I always ask you now, what is your name? I always ask you, what is your name? So what you say? My name is whatever your name. What you reply me? I always ask you, what is your name? So you say, my name is whatever your name is. That means my. So today we are writing the name of yours. So write what. Give some space and write is. We have done in oral only, but today we are going to write what is your name. So you will write my name is whatever your name is. What is, give some space and write Y-O-U-R. You have to say and write. What you have to do? You have to say the letter and then write. Y-O-U-R. W-H-A-T. What? I-S is. Y-O-U-R. Yours. What is your? Oh, done? Now write. Give some space and write N-A-N-E. read fast? Next line, put A and start writing M, capital M, Y, my, M, Y, my, M, Y, my. Say and write M, Y, my. Give some space and write name. N, A, M, E, name, my name, N-A-M-E, name, my name, N-A-M-E, name. Right here, give some space and write I-S, is, I-S, is, my, M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name, I-S, is, my name is. And what is your name? What is your name? Right here. I will write my name. I will write my name. My name is Jyoti. What is my name? My name is Jyoti. But you will write your name. But you will write your name. Write here your name and put full stop. Write your name and put full stop. I have written my name, but you will write your name. My name is Jyoti. I have written my name, but you will write your name. Whatever your name, Veer or Avyan or Nitisha, Anaisha, write your name. We will write one full page. We will write one full page. I am giving you 2 minutes to write. You can write it. You have to write your name. Don't write my name. Write your name. All of you write your name. Don't write my name. My name is, whatever your name, you have to write your name. Done? Done? Now write in next line. We have to write one full page. A, put here A. Now write capital M, M, Y, my. You have to write one full page in your notebook. My, give some space and then some space and write I S ease. I S ease. My my. Say and write. Okay, my dears. What you have to do? Say and write. My. Name. Name. Is. So what is your name? Write your name. I am writing my name. I am writing my name, but you have to write your name. But you have to write your name and put full stop. I am writing my name, but you have to write your name. But you have to write your name. So I am giving you time to write. Write your name. Done? 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 Okay. Now next line. Again write A. Again write A. Then M Y my my leave some space and write and say and write A N E name. 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 Say and write. My dear, say and write. Write neatly. Don't write out of the line and don't do overwriting. Name. Name. Leave some space and write is. Is. My. Name. Name. Is. You have to say and write. My name is. What is your name? Right here. What is your name? I am writing my name, but you have to write your name. And put full stop after writing your name. You have to write your name. This is my name, but you have to write your name. I am giving you time to write your name. And those who have not completed, please complete it. And those who have not completed, please complete it. Done? Done? Now, next, again at the next line, start writing my Next, write, leave some space and write N A M E, name. N A M E, name. Say and write, all of you. You have to say and write. M-Y, my. N-A-M-E, name. After writing word, you have to leave some space. After writing word, you have to leave some space, and after that you have to start with next word. M-Y, my. N-A-M-E, name. Leave some space and write I-S is, I-S is, I-S is, M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name, I-S is. Now leave some space and write your name. I am writing my name, but you have to write your name. I am writing my name, but you have to write your name, and after that you have to put full stop. After that you have to put full stop. That means sentence is complete. I am giving you 2 minutes to write. Complete it. Complete it. Write neatly and quickly. In good handwriting. You have to write in good handwriting. Write your name, don't write my name. Completed? 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 Now, keep your pencil down. All of you, keep your pencil down. Keep your pencil down. Keep your pencil down. Now put your finger in your notebook where you have written. Keep your finger in your notebook. Now start reading with me. W-H-A-T. What? Again. W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What? I-S is. I-S is. my name. That's why I will read my name. But you have written your name, so read the spelling of your name. Done. So we have learned today to write a name. We have learned today to write a name. So keep practicing and read also. You have to read also. You have to say and write and read also. So this is your today work. Now I am winding up my class. Till then, bye and have a nice day.